The pink fairy armadillo is the smallest and rarest armadillo in the world, found only in central Argentina.
Its pink shell is made of lightweight bone plates that protect its body while allowing it to burrow easily. And
the pink fairy armadillo moves through sand like a swimmer, earning it the nickname, the sand swimmer.
It is a nocturnal species, spending most daylight hours buried to avoid heat and predators.
Its oversized claws act like tiny shovels, letting it dig through soil faster than most animals on its size.
A soft layer of white fur insulates the pink fairy armadillo from the desert's cold nights.
This species has an unusually fast heartbeat that supports its high digging activity. The pink fairy armadillo uses sand as a thermal blanket, maintaining a stable body temperature underground.
Because it spends most of its life underground, sightings of the pink fairy armadillo are extremely rare.
A mysterious survivor of the desert, rarely seen, perfectly adapted, and hanging on at the edge of existence.
It feeds mainly on ants and larvae, using its claws to break open nests beneath the ground.
Habitat destruction and climate shifts have made the pink fairy armadillo one of Argentina's most vulnerable animals.
The Blue Dragon Sea Slug, Glaucus atlanticus, is a tiny open ocean predator known for its dazzling metallic colors.
Its vibrant blue body helps it blend with the sea surface from above, while its silver underside hides it from predators below. It floats on its back, using surface tension and ocean winds to travel vast distances. It stores stolen stinging cells inside its body and becomes more venomous than its prey.
It preys on venomous creatures like the Portuguese man-o'-war, animals far larger than itself. These stolen cells can deliver a powerful sting, strong enough to injure much larger animals, including humans.
Despite its beauty, the blue dragon is only 3 centimeters long, but one of the ocean's most deceptive predators.
It spends its entire life in the open ocean, never touching the seafloor.
Multiple blue dragons often gather to feed, overwhelming dangerous prey through numbers.
Sightings are rare, which makes every discovery of this creature a moment of scientific interest.
Its bright colors warn predators that its sting is far more dangerous than its size suggests.
A drifting jewel of the open sea, the blue dragon remains one of Earth's most extraordinary tiny predators.
The Thorny Devil is an Australian desert lizard covered in sharp spikes that protect it from predators.
Its entire body is covered in rigid keratin spikes, creating unmatched armor for such a small reptile.
The Thorny Devil has a false head on its neck, confusing predators when danger approaches.
Its patterned skin lets the Thorny Devil disappear into the desert, avoiding birds and larger reptiles.
The Thorny Devil feeds almost entirely on ants, eating thousands in a single meal. Its specialized tongue is perfectly designed to capture tiny insects with incredible speed.
The Thorny Devil drinks through its skin, pulling water across scale channels directly into its mouth.
When rain falls, its entire body acts like a sponge, channeling water toward its jaw.
The Thorny Devil can even drink from wet sand by absorbing moisture through its feet.
Its strange stop-and-start walk confuses predators, mimicking the motion of dry twigs. The Thorny Devil thrives in some of Australia's hottest, driest environments. A masterpiece of desert evolution,
perfectly adapted to survive where almost nothing else can.
The axolotl, Ambystoma mexicanum, is a rare salamander known for retaining its juvenile form throughout its entire life.
This permanent youth, called neoteny, means the axolotl never undergoes full metamorphosis like other amphibians.
It can regenerate entire limbs, spinal cord, heart tissue, and even parts of its brain without leaving scars. Its genome is 10 times larger than ours, packed with genes responsible for cell repair and regeneration.
Its external gills act as oxygen filters, giving the axolotl its iconic feather-like appearance.
Urban growth, pollution, and invasive species have pushed wild axolotl populations to the brink of extinction. It is a slow but effective ambush predator, feeding on worms, insects, and tiny fish.
The species once thrived in the ancient lakes of Mexico City, where volcanic waters created a unique ecosystem.
In captivity, axolotls display many colors, but in the wild, most are dark for camouflage. Males perform a ritual dance, placing sperm packets along the lake bed for females to collect. A forgotten relic of an ancient lake, the axolotl stands as nature's master of regeneration.
The immortal jellyfish, known as Turritopsis dohrnii, is a tiny marine species capable of reversing its own aging process.
Barely larger than a fingernail, the immortal jellyfish is transparent and easily overlooked in the open sea.
Friends. When stressed, injured, or starving, it can revert its adult body back into a juvenile polyp,
This cycle can repeat indefinitely, allowing the jellyfish to start life over instead of dying.
While it can reset aging, it isn't invincible. Predators can still eat it before it regenerates.
It lives mostly unnoticed in plankton layers, where its tiny size makes it nearly invisible. It has spread across the world's oceans using ship ballast water, silently colonizing new regions. Scientists first documented its regenerative ability in the 1990s, shaking our understanding of biological aging. As a small predator of plankton, it shapes microscopic life in coastal ecosystems.
Its unique genes are now studied for clues to human tissue repair, aging, and regenerative medicine.
It performs cellular transdifferentiation, where mature cells convert into entirely new types to rebuild the body from scratch. A creature that rewinds its own life, the immortal jellyfish remains one of nature's most astonishing mysteries.